Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel C33 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again in order to activate the developer options. So keep tapping on the build number until you will receive this information. Now we have to go back to the general settings, and enter the system. Right here we've got the developer options, and if you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about them so we can explain more. So let's enter the developer options, and here scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. All we have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and from now on this option is active, so the device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So it is important, you do not have to manually update your device, but remember about restarting it from time to time, so your device will have a chance to actually download the update and apply it. You can always turn it off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.